So this is our review of the brand new Porter cable that I just got today from Amazon. And we're building this tree house and trying to put these bolts in. And we got one of them in, but now it won't take one of them out. It won't put the other one in either. So I had my son just hold it. My 12-year-old can hold this and it will not twist his hand off. I think I got a bad one. Not to mention, oh, let me show him this. The missing screw. Screw there, no screw there. So, and I've tried multiple batteries, as you can see. It's not the batteries don't quit at all. So, it's just going back.
Testing 1, 2. Well, it works.